Grandson, are you ready? Hold on, lift it up more. Right there. This thing is stuck, dude. Who put these dang things? Who installed this?
Grandpa.
I did? Okay. Hey everyone, how is your day going? So it is literally probably the day after Thanksgiving. And my Thanksgiving was really good. I had a really good Thanksgiving. I had been out of town for 25 days. 25 days straight without coming home. But I did come home for a 4-day weekend. So I'm excited because I got to see my family, got to see my wife. And the most beautiful thing about being home is I get to hang out with the people I love, right? And so that's important. So I decided I'm gonna go help my grandson, Brandon. You guys have seen him in the videos. He went to Arizona and worked with me for about a week. And he wants to change up his room. Now this dude's got like the coolest room, and you know, he's all into rooms right now and LEDs and shelves and all kinds of stuff. We just did it not too long ago, but I guess he wants to change it now, which is good. Change is good, right? For those who accept it. But yeah, I'm on my way to his house. I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like after we are done. But stopped by Lowe's, bought a bunch of wall hangers, anchors, and got all my hand tools from the house, the garage. And I'm excited. We're gonna go see what we're gonna do. This guy's like a visionary. He's really good with decorating his stuff and putting it together. So yeah, just go have some fun with Brandon, also known as AKA Domingo. That's what they call him at school. Yeah, let's head over there. Check out this guy's shoe collection. He has all of these, and then he has all of these shoes, and then he has these basketball. Look at this, man. Shoe after shoe. I can't name them off, but I'm sure there's some good stuff there. This dude's already got the PS5. I don't know what the heck that is. We definitely don't know what that is. Here is his room. That's my tools. So we had put these shelves here. Hold on. Had put that shelf there, that one, TV. This TV is getting replaced. LED lights along the top. All this is coming down. All of this. All of these are coming down. That's coming down. Bed's being moved. I don't know where we're moving it. But yeah, all this stuff is being redone. Okay, so these are like some of the tools that I bought or materials and stuff. I needed a caulking gun. Get yourself a good caulking gun. A lot of people don't know. This has a cutter. You see that right there? So what you do is you put this part in here, and then you squeeze the trigger and it cuts it for you. It also comes with a poker. Check this out. Right here. So that part, after you do that, you actually slide that down and it pokes it. And then I got some clear. Make sure to get paintable. This is also just standard caulking paintable. I got some washers. Put away the poker. Don't want to get poked. DeWalt. This is a 20 volt max. This is like heavy duty stuff. Impact wrench. Some spatulas, plastic for the putty. Wall anchors. Get the pink stuff. How do you know? Because when it turns a certain color, it's ready to sand. Didn't buy sandpaper. We don't need it. Level. Keep your life level. Make sure you know everything's good. And then I bought this thing. Has all kinds of hangers. Also, check this out. Gotta stay organized, people. Organized, man. Look at that. Very nicely organized. Close it up. Lock that bad boy. Drill, number 2 Phillips bit right there, you got it. And then of course you need the attachments, right? Because got this bad boy, look at that, looking good. And then I got this bad boy, look at that, sweet. And then I got this one, in case we need that. And there he is, AKA Domingo.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with your room today, dude?
I'm gonna redo it.
Yeah? How's quarantine treating you?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on it? How have you been able to overcome this?
Just by keeping myself active and trying to do as much as I can, or doing it in a safe way.
Look how tall this guy is, man. He was able to adapt very quick. He said he saw it coming. He knew it was going to be here, and he was able to adapt very quick, right? So very important. Keep in mind, you got to learn to adapt. Situations are going to show up. Some are going to last longer than others, but it's how quick you adapt to them that sets you apart and sets you up for success. Let's get this project started.
No.
We officially have our first shelf built right there. It's gonna take another shelf right here. It's gonna take a TV right in the center, but it's coming along really good. Dang, did you see that? Okay, that wasn't smart. Trust me, I am a professional at this. I am, trust me, I am. So we just finished. Are you ready for this? Check this out. OLED TV. PS5. Got one controller, one more controller coming. Built these shelves. Check that out. Moved from 2 shelves to 1 shelf up there. There's Domingo. And then got all his stuff going on up there. And his bed got moved over here. Check it out. LED strips all the way across the top, but this setup is cool, sick. So what do you think? What do you think about the final product, man? Are you happy? Are you satisfied?
Not satisfied.
Yeah? This dude is a lot of help, let me tell you. Helps me out a lot. Like, he wants to do a project, but he's really involved. Like, he's like, can you come down here? We buy everything we need, and he stays with it. It's not like he doesn't leave. Like, he really stays with it. Yeah, this is, super nice. I like it.
Hi everybody. Yes, my grandfather was right, and we wanted to do a contest to help someone out there with their new room makeover. We wanted to pick one boy and one girl and donate $1,000 each towards your room. We'll add the link down below with all the instructions. We want to be able to give back and bless someone, so make sure to participate in this contest and see you soon.